Hi, this is Teresa Momber, and here's a look at the card I'm going to show you how to make in today's video. Begin by stamping the flower image from the Vertical Greetings 2 stamp set from Gina Designs onto white cardstock using Memento Tuxedo black ink. Begin coloring using Spectrum Noir marker CT2 in the center of the flower. Then switch to Spectrum Noir marker CR8 and continue coloring. Use this marker in the centers of the petals where you want the deepest coloring. Switch to Spectrum marker CR10 and blend out from the previous color. Also use this color on the tips of each petal. Switch markers once again, this time to OR1, and continue blending from the previous color. Fill in the petals almost entirely, leaving just a small area uncolored for your very lightest highlights. Switch back to Spectrum marker CT2 to fill in those highlighted areas. I had a little error while I was recording my video and I failed to capture the part where I was coloring the stem and leaves. But I can tell you I filled in the stem and leaves using CG2 and then used DG3 to shade. After coloring, use scissors to cut out the image. Next, use Spellbinders' Sprigs die template to cut a branch using Gina Designs Jelly Bean Green cardstock. Use some Gina Designs fresh Asparagus ink to shade the tips of the leaves. For your card base, trim a piece of white cardstock to 4 1/4 by 11 inches and score at 5 1/2 inches, but don't fold it yet. Then add sticky notes to mask the bottom left corner. Sponge over the mask very lightly using Gina fresh Asparagus ink. Remove the mask and you can see you've created a partial frame by sponging. Now we're going to create a raised embossed frame on the front. Flip the card base over and line up Spellbinders A2 Matting Basics A Nestabilities die template and secure in place with repositionable tape. Then emboss with your tan embossing mat and pink embossing plate. After embossing, remove the tape and die template from the inside and flip over, and you'll see you'll have a nice raised frame on the front of your card base. Stamp the Hugs sentiment from the Vertical Greetings 2 stamp set using Gina K Black Onyx ink. Next, adhere the branch to the card front. Use self-adhesive foam squares on the backs of the flowers to help them pop up off the card base. But for the flower stems, use a bit of craft glue. Then secure in place onto your card front. For the final step, fold along the score line and then crease. And that completes today's card project. Thanks for watching.